Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a very powerful GIS based property data tool called Parlay 2.0, which is provided by ReportAll USA. This feature is available for the entire USA, UK and Australia, but in this video we will discuss one example from the US. So right now I have this tool open inside my Google Earth Pro, and you can see parcel boundaries highlighted in red, where each polygon represents a property parcel, and these small markers indicates clickable data points. When I click on any parcel, it opens a detailed information panel. Now if we click on one parcel here, you can see it shows a lot of useful information, including the parcel ID or the APN number, county and municipality, owner name, land use classification, acreage, property value, and address details. For example, this belongs to a school district, and we can even see land cover classification, such as developed open space or low intensity areas. This kind of data is extremely useful if you are doing real estate research, land ownership analysis, solar site selection, or any GIS based feasibility study. The best thing about Parlay 2.0 is that it combines spatial data with ownership and legal information in one place. Instead of manually searching records from different sources, everything is integrated here. You can quickly identify who owns a property, check land use before planning a project, analysis parcel size for development, or filter areas based on specific criteria. This makes it very useful for GIS professionals, investors, and consultants. For example, if you are working on a solar project, you can identify large open parcels and check ownership instantly. If you are in a real estate, you can shortlist properties based on size and land size. And if you are doing urban planning or research, you can analyze land distribution and zoning pattern. The biggest advantage here is speed, because that normally takes hours can be done in minutes. So yeah, this was a quick overview of how Parlay 2.0 works inside Google Earth. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video button, subscribe for more GIS tool tutorials and freelancing tips. And by the way, I am also a freelancer working on Parlay 2.0. So if you need any help regarding this, I'm available on Upwork and Fiverr. Thank you.